principle is that when we ignite the solid fuel, it's going to very rapidly create a lot of gas, which is a much higher volume than the solid fuel that we started with. So if we take a look back at a wider scale, we can see the rocket body, and let's see what happens when we ignite the fuel. And you can see that it's producing a lot of high pressure inside. And so effectively the body is pressing on the gas and ejecting it out the back. And because of the principle of every action having an equal and opposite reaction, the gas in turn applies force to the body, which is what accelerates the rocket and makes it travel off and track.
This simple principle of physics powered the rocket and its deadly payload.
The crows were hollow, made from bamboo, and were probably packed completely full of loose gunpowder, probably in a fairly coarse mixture, so that when the fuse from the rocket engines burned through it would cause a huge fireball to set fire to whatever it was being aimed at. We've done all the work we can. We've built what is hopefully a fairly accurate historical representation of one of these exploding